You ready? You ready? Okay. So with the government work, and look, it's fantastic to see the commitment on the 6 national manufacturing priorities. And we really think that a skilled workforce is going to be critical. How can you advise us, IBSA and the employees here today, that we can support your department in this initiative? What can we do to help?
In the first instance, what I'd say is the $1.2 billion that we have invested to create those, new 100,000 apprenticeships and traineeships. Could you please make sure everybody knows about it? Because if they have that capacity to bring on a new apprentice or trainee, sign them up tomorrow. Okay, so in the first instance, we can work together to bring new apprentices and trainees into our system, which, as you know, is just so important for that skilled workforce in the pipeline going forward. But what I would also say is, so IBSA and the industry reference committees that IBSA supports, and as you know, that is such a fundamental role within vocational education and training. You play a crucial role in developing national training packages. And as we know, Australian workers will need, they continue to need to be able to access high quality, relevant is a key word here, and forward looking training, which meets the needs of both the workers and the manufacturing industry. So I would strongly encourage IBSA to continually, and you do this already, but continue to engage widely with industry stakeholders to ensure that industry's views are heard, but also, and as you know, because you already do this well, provide timely advice to government. If you want us to know something, my mobile phone, you pick up the phone and you talk to me. You provide that advice to me. I want you to do that. That's why we all have such a good relationship. As a government, we need that timely advice, but also providing that advice through to the Australian Industry and Skills Committee. What does that do? It ensures that we're all on the same page. And I go back to those key words, relevant training, relevant and forward-looking training. We need to know from you what you are seeing on the ground, those emerging trends, and do we have the capability to respond to it? So thank you for that opportunity, Sharon. I do appreciate it.
Thank you, Minister.